Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. We are here today to see if you guys have any questions. We know the fees for a lot of forms are going to change, so we want to talk a little bit about that. So if you have any questions, please join us this afternoon.
Hello, my name is Vikreta. I'm going to be joining America today, and we are going to be assisting in answering any of your questions.
Arriba el América. Arriba. Oh my gosh. No sé que no le voy a la América, pero ok. Hi, America. Hi. Okay, we have 6 people. So who has already filed their adjustment? Who's already before the fee changes? Question, is a copy of I-797 necessary for AP? I have seen people that have sent it without it, just with the work permit. They just want to see that your DACA is valid. You can actually get a printout from the USCIS page. So you can find that as well if you have your receipt number. But again, keep in mind that they might request it. So it is up to you how you want to send your packet. Any other questions? Anybody else? Fikret, is there anything that you want to talk about today?
Let's talk a little bit about the option of the combo card. Let's let the community know that that is an option with AOS.
Yes.
Because come April 1st, there will be fees. So that's an option that they can file for and pay the fees, or they don't have to file at that time. And if they want to, they can do it later.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, combo card is optional. It's not like a necessary thing that you have to add with your adjustment of status. But we always recommend it, especially if you want to travel anywhere in the world, as long as you can visit. There's no visa requirement. There is no limits to where you want to go with a combo card if you are applying for adjustment of status. Obviously, we know after April 1st, the fees are going to change. So the fee, it's going to be added, or there's going to be the new fee for the I-131 and another fee for the I-765. So that's going to change the game for a lot of people. So if you are ready to file for adjustment, you still have time. There's like a week left before the deadline. You have to remember your packet has to be postmarked as of or before April 1st, 2024. It is the requirement. Postmark means that the USPS, FedEx, or UPS receives it on that date or stamps it on that date. Stamp receipt that it was before April 1st, 2024. So if it arrives there later, it doesn't matter because the USPS already stamped it as the day prior to that date. So if you guys have any questions, please ask any questions. Okay, my DACA expires in October. Just making sure, but the combo card is my work permit and AP combined. And also part of the fee for my AOS paperwork. Yes, right now, yes, it is part of the AOS paperwork. But again, after April 1st, 2024, it will no longer be part of the fee. If you want to apply for a combo card after those dates, it will be another fee added to the $14.40 that will cost to apply for your green card. Again, we also don't recommend for your DACA or let your DACA expire if you are applying for AOS. So make sure you renew on time.
Yes, you keep that DACA active until you get your green card in your hand.
What kind of service does Dreamers Together offer? As of right now, we offer DACA renewals. We have AP services, advanced parole. We offer adjustment of status preparation, packet review, and consultations. Again, we're trying to expand our services, but as of the moment, that's what we offer. After the live, we will leave the links for the services. Again, if you have any questions, you can schedule a consultation, a one-on-one with anyone in the AOS department or the DACA department, advanced parole, and they'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Uh, like I said, you can do a one-on-one if you just have you're preparing your own packet and you're stuck in certain questions and you're waiting for your post to be approved on the Facebook group, or you want to get it done super quick before the fees go up. You can always schedule a one-on-one. They'll be more than happy to answer, to try to help you answer the questions that you have in regards to your application, so you can be ready to send it out. But again, we offer AOS consultation. Fikreta and I actually work for the adjustment of status department. So if you guys have any questions in regards to adjustment of status, we are more than happy to answer any questions you may have. I don't see anyone. Um, let's see. Let's talk about. So a lot of questions that we get sometimes is like, what forms do we need for to apply for adjustment of status? As of right now, if you are doing a concurrent adjustment of status, meaning that your spouse or your petitioner, whether it's a spouse or a parent or a child, you will need an I-130, a form I-485, a form I-765, a form I-131, and of course your I-864, which is your affidavit of support. And for petitions from spouses, you do need to add the application I-131. Luisa says, I heard that I-131 and I-765 form are optional. Is that true? Yes, that is correct. You do not, if you apply for adjustment of status, you do not have to apply for a combo card or file those applications. If you don't have them ready right now, if you want to just say just sketch the fees before they change, you can actually send your adjustment of status without those forms. And since once you receive your receipts, then you can attach those receipts to your applications and your fees will be waived. But again, after April 1st, 2024, if you want to send those applications, there's an additional fee that is going to be required. Again, those are optional. You don't have to apply. I've heard people that says, oh, well, I have already a work permit and I don't have like a reason to travel. I don't want to travel. So you don't have to apply for that. Just a lot of people does it to have it. And if they have the opportunity to travel, they can do it. Avelina Marie says, can I submit I-130 now before April 1st and do AP in June, then AOS? Fikreta, do you want to answer that one?
In regards to the I-130, yes, you can submit it, and Nami, you can answer the rest of the question.
Yeah. Yes, you can submit the I-130. Obviously, you're gonna have to answer the questions as if you didn't have like a legal entry. So, but you do have to make sure that you put that you want your petition to state or to be sent to that you're applying for adjustment of status here in the United States. So at the end of the page, there is a question that asks about that. But yeah, you do your AP and then you can file for AOS, and yes, you can submit your I-130 right now.
I mean, also people have been, our community has been asking about the waiting list. As soon as the session's over, we're going to share the waiting list with you guys as well. And you guys can sign up, and then when the spot is available or openings become available, we'll get back to you guys.
Yes, especially right now that everybody's in a rush to get their packets ready and they have questions and everything. Unfortunately, we released our calendar for March and it was taken super quickly once they announced that the fees were going to change. So a lot of people is waiting, but again, don't get discouraged. The fee is increasing a little bit, and just because you don't apply for the combo card, you can apply for the combo card later. If you don't have and then funds to send your adjustment um, fully, like with your combo card, you can do your I-130, your I-485, and then later on, once you gather the rest of your money, then you can apply for your combo card. But like I say, once we have more appointments available, we'll be more than happy to help anybody that wasn't able to get an appointment before our calendar was full. Erica Alcauter, regarding PIP, can you file PIP concurrently with AOS? No, you cannot. PIP has to be adjudicated
Yes.
um, before you apply for AOS, because that's your legal entry basically. What you can do is like the question before, you can do your I-130 while they're processing your PIP. Then after your PIP is like good to go and is granted, then you can do your adjustment of status. But you cannot do PIP and file concurrently with adjustment of status.
Yes, because in the adjustment status, that serves as your legal entry, your PIP.
Anybody else has any more questions? Let me see. Anything else that you want to mention, Fikreta?
Yes, we are currently offering RFE services as well. Um, we're rolling them out on a slow basis. It is a case by case basis, so basically, it's a first come first serve.
Yes, that is correct. Vikreta just mentioned something really important. We have seen in the groups that there is a lot of people receiving RFEs for their I-64 or marriage evidence or just whatever else their applications are missing. So yes, we do offer RFE services. All you have to do is email aos@dreamerstogether.org, and somebody from our team will send you an email and guide you how to proceed with your RFE and respond as soon as possible. Let me see any other questions. Okay, yes, Jasmine Herrera. If I check the status of case for AP and it says it was produced, does that mean it got approved? What I've seen in the past, yes, when it says that your document was produced, that means that you got approved and it's more than likely on the way for you to receive it. So yes, that's what it means. So congratulations if that's the case for you. One thing that I also want to mention, and that we cannot stress enough, is the fact that we have our guides, we have our files. Please take the time to review and check our Facebook page. Everything that you need to do adjustment of status on your own, to fill out how you fill out your applications, everything is there. It's available to you, and it was made for you to take advantage of. I know it takes time, so if for the ones that don't like to read a lot and don't want to spend a lot of time learning, we can always help you out. Book a consultation, book a packet review, book an AOS preparation appointment. We are here to help you. Osborne Mako, can you use AP to travel to another country to buy products since it's cheaper there than buying here in the States? Oh, Lord, I do not know the answer to that question. if I mean, I guess you're talking as a business. I don't know. I think you have to be more specific in regards to your question. But he's saying, can you use AP to travel to another country to buy products since it's cheaper there than buying here in the States? Yeah, business. My bad. Yeah, he's doing it for business purposes. What I'm gonna tell you, what I always tell everybody, you can try. All you can do is try. All you can do is make your request. You have a business, you have a legit business, register here and everything. Make your bring your case to USCIS officers, to immigration, apply for it. If they grant it, great. If they don't, they might ask you for more evidence, and then that will be up to you to provide. But all you will lose is the filing fees. But at least you try, right? Instead of just wonder.
And I also want to let our community know something on it. When you are filling out your I-864, please check those boxes where you enter your total income. It has to match your taxes, the line that says total income. So before you submit, on page 5, make sure your last 3 years of taxes, the number that you input for that year matches the total income line on your taxes or tax transcripts.
Yes. Okay, anybody else? Any more questions? If not, we're gonna go. Take advantage. Free consultation live. Ask your questions right now before the fee changes. What did they say? Pregunta ahora o calla para siempre. Well, Fikret, I think we're gonna wrap it up over here.
Okay.
Thank you, everybody who participated. We'll try to do another live sometime later. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day. Good luck to everybody that was able to send their AOS packet before the deadline.
Yeah.
And
Thank you for the
whoever.
questions.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.